Growing strawberries from scraps is a rewarding and sustainable way to propagate these delicious fruits. If you have leftover strawberry scraps, such as crowns or runners, you can easily turn them into new plants. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you grow strawberries from scraps. Step-by-step guide 1. Selecting the scraps. Strawberry crowns description. The crown is the part of the strawberry plant where the leaves and roots meet. It's the most effective part to use for propagation. How to choose use healthy, firm crowns with some roots attached. Avoid scraps that are mushy or moldy. Strawberry runners description. Runners are the long, slender stems that grow horizontally from the main plant and develop new plantlets. How to choose. Choose runners that have well-developed plantlets with small roots. To preparing the soil container option. Use pots or containers with drainage holes. Fill them with a mix of potting soil and perlite or sand for good drainage. Garden bed option if planting directly in the garden. Prepare a well-draining fertile soil bed. 3. Planting strawberry crowns. Prepare the crowns. Trim many damaged or excessively long roots from the crowns. Planting. Dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the roots. Place the crown in the hole with the roots spread out and the crown level with the soil surface. Cover and water. Cover the crown with soil and gently pat it down. Water thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. For planting strawberry runners, prepare the runners. If the plantlets have roots, gently separate them from the runner. Planting. Dig small holes in the soil. Place each plantlet in the hole and cover with soil, ensuring that the roots are well covered. Watering. Water the newly planted runners to help establish them. 5. Caring for your new plants. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the plants at the base to avoid wetting the leaves. Sunlight. Place your pots or choose a garden spot with full sun, as strawberries need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced organic fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks to support growth and fruit development. Mulching. Add a layer of mulch around the plants to retain moisture. Suppress weeds and keep the soil temperature consistent. 6. Monitoring and maintenance. Pest control. Watch for common pests like aphids and spider mites. Use organic pest control methods if needed. Disease prevention. Ensure good air circulation around the plants to prevent fungal diseases. Remove any diseased leaves promptly. Pruning. Remove any dead or damaged leaves to encourage new growth and improve plant health. 7. Harvesting timing. Strawberries will begin to fruit within 6 to 8 weeks of planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvesting. Pick the strawberries when they are fully ripe and firm. Gently twist or cut the berry from the plant, leaving the green cap attached. Conclusion. Growing strawberries from scraps is an excellent way to propagate new plants and reduce waste. By using strawberry crowns or runners, you can easily expand your garden or start new plants in containers. With proper care and attention, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, juicy strawberries.